Hey everybody, Cast the Blast here. I'm going to show you how to take apart a spinning reel. This is Sienna Shimano. Going to try to take it apart and put it back. It was the easiest way I learned how to do it. Take out the drag. Flip it tight. Take out the spool. What I like to do is put everything in order when I take off. Like that. The tools you need are right here. Pull this off. Has a little pressure on it, so you gotta do a little strong. Pull that off. There's a little screw right there that you gotta take apart. Take that off, put it right there. Then you need a 12mm. Let's put that there. Turn. Let's take that off. Put it right there. This will come right off. Pull. Pull that. This. You need a screwdriver for this one. This is the bearings. Don't put nothing in here. No grease, no oil. Pull that off, that screw, and gently loosen these like that. Gently loosen them. If you want, you can put this screw back. All depends how you want to do it. And loosen that, and this will come right off. And there you go. Take these here off. The bearing and everything will slide right off. Clean that. I like to shoot it with rim oil. I know people say to use grease and all, but I like rim oil. Works really good with my guns, so I got used to that. Okay, now pull this off. Sorry, I didn't pre-do this. I just did everything in a hurry. Then you will need this to unscrew. Put that there. This is a little one too. Screw that. Put it there. Screw, put that there. Don't forget about this screw right here. This one, like that. Put it there, and then that's it. Pull this off. One more screw. the screws there. And there you go. Okay. Then take this. This should just come right off. Gotta pry it a little bit. There you go. That just comes right off. Put it there. All my tools on this side. Move that like that. Then you have the gear. Spinning. What I like to do is get the screwdriver gentle because you could really mess it up. Pop this out and put it like that. And then just grease it up whatever you prefer. Depends what you want, depends everything. Then put it back as you get this. Put it like that. Put that there. Put this one. Sometimes I prefer better to put this like that all the way to the ground. That one facing down, that little nose right there. And then put that there. And this goes right in, slips right in there. And then you go to here, put this back on. Then you get the screws. Start screwing everything back. This is always a fun part, screwing everything back. Sorry, I can't get the screw in there. You know how it is sometimes, little screws. Like that. Put that in there. Then get this bad boy. Put this in there like that. Whatever you prefer. Right or left. It's awesome that you can switch it because some you can't really switch. Tighten that up pretty good. So right now when you try it out, put this back in. You get it like this. Put this back straight in. Then turn it. It's right back in there. Get the two washers that are on top. Put it like that, make sure that's all snug. Get this bad boy, the bearings. The whole heart of your thing. Put that in. Put that in. Put that in. Screw it like that. we go. That's how you do it. Go both ways. So you can try it. Thank you for watching.